Mum, Dad, Sis, you proud of him?
Yes.
Yep.
Do you think he's got what it takes to get right up to the 50,000?
I hope
He's got
so.
the bottle. He's a gambler.
Really?
He's a gambler.
A gambler? Are you a gambler?
I am, yeah. I like to think I am anyway.
Good.
So far, you've got £7,500. The next question, if you answer it correctly, is worth £15,000.
That would be nice.
Think of the car that's going to get you.
Yep.
2 subjects left. You've still got your copy left, which means you can have Reese. He's the last star pupil coming up
Hi, dude.
The pressure's on, Reese.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Look at you with your smile. You're quite confident though, aren't you?
Pretty much, but I wanted to go first so I could pick the subjects what I like. I'm not so happy with what's left.
Well, you don't let pressure get to you, do you?
No.
Are you pretty cool under pressure?
No.
Are you not?
No, not really.
So is it going to be quite tough for you if he decides to copy, yeah, and all that money's at stake, and we go over there and it's all relying on your answer? You're going to find it quite tricky, yeah?
Probably.
It is tricky. It's tricky for you. It's tricky. It's tricky over here for Dave. You know, hopefully that won't come to it.
Hopefully.
Right, the stakes are really high now, Dave. You could drop out with £7,500, but you could be doubling your money to £15,000. Which of those 2 subjects would you want to pick?
Out of those 2, the stronger one of the 2 for me would be science. So I'm going to go for age 10 natural science.
Age 10, natural science. This is worth £15,000, Dave. The question is, you don't have to play this, remember. When a seed starts to grow, what is the process known as? When a seed starts to grow, what is the process known as?
You've got a wry smile across your face.
Just words flying around in my head now. But I don't know if any of them are right.
Reese is
Reese is in.
locked in, fairly confident time.
Now when a seed grows, people might say it's sprouting. Or, when I was revising, science was one of the ones that I did look at. And there's 4 processes. I don't know what order they are. There's pollination, germination, fertilisation, and another one. And for some reason I think it's that other one that lies. Do I risk £6,000 on a copy?
You feeling any pressure, Reese? Does it feel tough?
A little bit, yeah.
All right. Don't worry, mate.
The seed starts to grow. I can wipe out some of that. It's definitely not pollination. Because that, oh, and then seed dispersal. Pollination. Germination. I think germination is the production of a seed. But again, I don't know. £6,000.
Look at your little pupils. Look at them all. They've all written an answer and locked it in.
You could copy your star pupil, Reese. You have to then go with the answer he's written. If he's wrong, you lose £6,000. If he's right, you win £15,000.
He did lock it in pretty quick.
That's what I thought. It was quite quick.
And if it is any of the ones that you said, the reason why it would have taken a little longer is because it's a long word to
Yes.
write. You did say you're a gambler.
I did. But would I gamble 6 grand? Yeah, copy.
Oh. That's the way you've been playing the whole game, Dave, just whacking it in
Where
there.
did that come from?
Why not? Why
That's your
not go for
gambling
it?
side
That's
coming
it,
out.
go for it.
Yeah. Okay, you've used your copy. You have to take the answer that Reese has written.
But before we have a look at what Reese has written, which one would you have gone for on your own?
If I'd have gone for it on my own,
Yeah.
I would have probably guessed at germination, but I don't think that's right.
Okay, germination is what you would have gone for.
Yep.
Reese, stay there. We're going to come to you in a minute. You said you're not good under pressure, so we'll make you wait a little bit longer. And in the meantime, these 4 pupils scribbled an answer nice and quick, and they locked it in. Kazim. Katie. Okay, well, let's have a look and see what Lizzie puts. And Kieran. Germination. So,
Dave, it doesn't matter what any of those have written.
I'm just hoping that Reese has put the same.
Reese,
That's right.
hold this.
Dave. I can tell you that if you'd have gone with the answer that you'd said, germination, you'd have just won £15,000. Now, it's all down to him.
£15,000. But you went for a copy.
I should have just gone for my answer.
If Reese hasn't written germination, you will lose £6,000.
So it's literally a matter of going home with 1,500 or sticking an O on it and carrying on. Reese, this is what you didn't want to happen. This is quite a pressurised point for you. Look over there. Good luck, Dave. We're looking for germination. If he's written that, you get the money. Okay, let's have a look.
Dave, you've now got yourself £15,000!
Well done,
Get
mate.
in.
£15,000, it's up there. How do you feel right now?
Fantastic.
Yeah?
Thank you, Reese.
All good?
My pleasure.
Excellent.